One thing you know, from December start.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Christmas a J, what a happy
coming
crowd.
like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Brightasdae. So I was not excited, but I think my excitement is here today. So today is Saturday, December 12th. Today and tomorrow are the only days I have to get ready for Jamaica. I leave on Monday. Work has been stressing your girl out. So I have so much to do today, but we're gonna kick off. I woke up 6 o'clock this morning to get some editing done and everything. We're gonna kick off today by first order of business to go get a pedicure. I low-key want to sneak getting my nails in. I don't have an appointment. That just sucks. Like, everything you gotta make an appointment for. I called to make an appointment. He was like, oh, just walk in at 9:30. Walking at 9:30 means I'm not gonna get out of there till 12 o'clock. But I'm gonna go right now. Let's see what time it is. I took a shower and everything. It's currently 8:48. My appointment is at 9 o'clock to get a pedicure. I'm gonna see if I can get my nails done. I have lash appointments and everything today. But let's go, y'all. I didn't even pack. I need to do laundry. It's so much on my list. But before I jump into all of that, let's go, cause your girl not trying to be late. Today is my Pamper day, and I had an appointment for a pedicure this morning at about 9 o'clock. I just got back. Actually, I'm in the driveway right now. Got my pedicure. I did not have an appointment to get my nails done, and afterwards the guy was like, you want your nails? I was like, if y'all can take me, because I tried out a new salon today because my salon was booked. The guy told me this morning to like do a walk-in at 9:30. Now when you walk in at the salon that I usually go to, you are there forever because everybody else has an appointment. So I was like, nope, that's chalk. So anyway, I had called and got an appointment at another salon close by me to get a pedicure, and then the girl was like, oh, if you want to get a full set as well, you need to make an appointment for a later date. I was like, no. I was just like, just let me get my feet done. And when the guy finished my feet, he was like, do you want your nails done? I was like, if you gonna take me, bro. So basically he took me. I got my nails done. I am not doing the glitter and glamour thing today. This trip to go to Jamaica, I was just there. It's not, you know, I'm just chilling. So I did get this. I picked it out in the store. I liked it, and now I pulled up in a drive. I liked it, y'all. Even when the guy was like, you like it? Because if I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it. I liked it. When I was in the store, before I walked out, I looked again. I was like, oh, this is cute. I pulled up in a driveway and I'm like, I don't like it. So I don't know what it is. Let me show y'all. So this is what the nails look like. It's supposed to be like a chalky white, but like with a little bit of glitter in it. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I'm really feeling it right now. I didn't want the glitter and all of that fancy schmancy. I should have just got white, but I was like, I always get white. But anyway, that's that. So I got my pedicure. I got just like a regular pedicure. I really wanted to try out a new pedicure spot other than my nail salon, but I don't like it, so I need to find a pedicure spot. Usually in the past, when I used to live in Philly, I usually have like a place where I go get pedi, a place where I go do my brows, and a place where I go do my nails. So 3 different salons. So I'm on a hunt for a place that does good pedicure. I got the basic pedicure this time around because I didn't even know they were doing like the exclusive stuff. So my appointment was just for the regular, you know, cut down, cuticle clean, and all of that. The guy didn't scrub my feet good, and I need my foot scrubbed. So like when my rubber toe against sweet, I'm just like, dang, your foot's soft. But anyway, I didn't get that, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably just bring down like a scrub for my feet. And then my nails, and then I got my eyebrows tinted, so I'm gonna come a little closer so y'all can see. She tinted my eyebrows, even though I feel like they still don't look like sisters. They look more like cousins. This one is a little longer than this one, but it's cool because I'm still gonna fill them in. I'm still gonna conceal them and all that, but it does give you like a natural look without all the makeup and stuff. I have one more appointment today to get my lashes done. I do have lashes on right now, but they're the strip lashes, so I need to go get my lashes done. That's at 6 o'clock. Let me see what time it is right now. Where's my phone? Oh, it is 11:15 right now, so I got a whole bunch of time, but I have a lot to do today, y'all. My budget today was $200. I know already that I'm gonna pass that. Well, I passed that. In total, I paid $133 and a couple cents, so call it $134. I like to round up, period. So we're already at $134, and I need to get my eyebrows done, my lashes done. I need to get my lashes done. My lashes is $85, so I already passed my $200 mark, so I'm already under budget. So I might have to cut something from somewhere else. I probably don't even need something that I'm gonna buy that I think I need. We're just not gonna do it, boo. So yeah, I have a lot to do today. I need to do laundry. I need a lesson plan. I need to just make sure the house, my room is right. Just like a bunch of things, all that. I'm not really stressing. I need to pack. I'm not really stressing though, because I feel like at this point it's like Jamaica is like my second home, so I'm not even fussy. I left all my clothes down there. I am bringing a little bit more pieces just to like give myself a variety of different things, but I didn't do crazy shopping this time around. I didn't do any of that because it ain't nothing going on really, and if it is, I do have clothes for that already. But anyway, that's enough chatting right here in the car. I'm about to go upstairs, clean up the house, making sure it's right, because mommy come home tomorrow and I don't even want to hear her mouth about her place not being clean and all that. It's not dirty, but I know Shav left stuff in the kitchen, so I'm gonna just make sure the kitchen and everything is right. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna do laundry and make sure I'm gonna go wash my bedspread and everything. Just make sure my room, I like to, when I'm going anywhere, I like to leave my room like, you know, spick and span and everything like that. And I might even start packing today, and then my goal is to lesson plan before I leave, at least for next week, for the days when I teach. So that's good. Anyway, y'all, I gotta pee so bad, so I'm about to gotta do the pee-pee dance. I'm just gonna wash this wig. All my other wigs are washed. No, I gotta wash this one and the short one. I'm gonna wear the short one to Jamaica because Sweet's like that one, so I'm gonna wear that one because, you know, Sweet's picking me up. So I'm gonna wear that, and then I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do laundry. This morning before I left to the salon, I like separated my colors. I'm about to bring this down. Below these are my white clothing that I'm gonna soak up in some blue soap and a little bit of bleach and stuff like that, make it go and soak. So when I'm ready to wash, it's clean. And then I'm gonna throw those in afterwards. Gotta make my bed and all of that. And, you know, just clean up my dresser and everything. Between filming, these are like my filming, my bulb things. I still keep them in the packaging. Need to clean up here a little bit, all of that, and, you know, just the usual mess. And then you see that suitcase all the way over there needs to be packed, and I'm bringing my lights to Jamaica this time. Hopefully I can provide y'all with some content, sis. Oh, girl. But yes, that's what's on the agenda. I need to make a to-do list right now, actually. When I'm going down, I like to write down things, make sure that I knock out everything. My goal is to finish everything by the day. If I don't finish packing, that's cool, because packing is not going to take me forever. I have a lot of videos to film today, edit today. So today is dedicated to all things getting ready for Jamaica, all things filming content so I can schedule them so y'all can have content. So even if I go to Jamaica and I'm struggling with like internet problems and stuff like that, like the last time, at least y'all will still be getting content, sis, because consistency, we manifesting over here, period. I'm mad that my arm isn't as long for y'all to see my Santa Claus. I think my phone is ringing or blowing up. Pretty sure it's Sweets. Oh, it's Sweets. It's It's sweet. It's a sponsorship email, and it's my Bible verse of the day. I'm gonna share my Bible verse with y'all. It says, "You also must be ready all the time, for the Son of Man will come when least expected." Luke 12:40. And that's the NLT version. I need to figure out how to change it to the King James version. King James version says, "Be ye therefore ready also, for the Son of Man cometh at an hour when he think not." I like that better. I just love King James version. I don't know, the NLT, I don't even know what that is, but King James all the way, period. Because it just speaks in a language that I understand, and I like to read things that I understand. Okay. So hey guys, ignore this. I have a pimple coming on, so I rub my little pimple cream on my face because I know where it's coming from too. I feel like I've been really stressed for the past week with work, so my skin is showing that. So I'm just working on it because I leave in 2 days. I can't be going to Jamaica with my face all broken out and stuff, so I'm trying to work on it. Let's see if it's gonna disappear by Monday. So I'm just here going through some jewelry that I'm gonna bring down with me. I'm just trying to organize stuff, not necessarily packing, but just organizing things. There's some partnership stuff that I want to get out the way before I leave, because they sent me like the products and stuff like that, so I want to make sure that I film. So I have a lot of videos to film between today and tomorrow. I leave for my lash appointment in about another hour or so. Guys, so a couple hours later, it's time for my lash appointment. I am so tired. I actually fell asleep, so I'm about to leave out right now because I'm running late. So yeah, when I get back I will check in, and I think this is it for the night though, because I'm really tired. I've been up since 6 o'clock. So I'm just really tired. I think I'm gonna call it a day and just finish up tomorrow. So I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning guys. So obviously it's the next day. I didn't just wake up. It's 10 o'clock right now, but I've been up since 6 something. Just like cleaning up my room, organizing my room. Let me say organizing my room instead of cleaning, because it wasn't dirty. It's just organizing stuff that I'm going to bring, stuff that I'm leaving. I packed out some of my winter stuff too, so that when I get back, some of my winter clothes is already up. I cleansed my face this morning. I did like a deep cleanse with my spin brush and everything. Usually when I go get my lashes or my, people in my face, I like to cleanse, like really cleanse my face. And I'm going to Jamaica, so I like to like make sure that my skin is breaking out. I feel like this is like the worst I've been to Jamaica with my skin in a really long time, and I feel like it's the case where I was just down there and I didn't get time to like really, and some of my products were finished and all that. But anyway, I have this Bior, y'all know I use this cleanser, but I have this heating 1 minute mask. I've been had it. I'm pretty sure I got it as like a trial, either from Sephora or like in a box or something that I was sent. It says wet face. Oh, my face is dry. Oh wait, we got water. I got a bottle of water right here. I'm not going to the bathroom. And as you can see on my bed right there, I am currently in the process of packing as well. All right, don't judge y'all. All right, so face is wet, apply mask. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's thick. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, I changed my mind. It's hot. It did say heating mask, but whoa, it is hot. So this mask, the self-heating 1 minute mask, warms to open pores and draw a deep dirt and oil and impurities, leaving skin tingly smooth. It is tingly, it is smooth. I think I'm gonna buy the bigger one so I can do this like multiple times a week, maybe when I get back from Jamaica though. Let's see, I didn't even finish reading the instruction. Massage 1 minute, then rinse off. Okay, massage my face. I am about to go wash it off now. I'm actually gonna wipe it off because I can't. I just got my lashes done and my brows are tinted, so water, no. Face is all fresh. But next on the agenda, room is clean, everything. I need to film some content, so I'm gonna take a shower and film, edit, and catch y'all back. I'm gonna try to make an appointment for waxing today. I don't want to, but my, I didn't even see that babe texting me. Nair has been burning my skin, so I'm not sure. I don't feel like waxing because it hurts, but then Nair burns. Let me call and see if they have an appointment. They have availability. That's the first thing. Let's see. They are busy. They just opened, so they better not play. Oh my God. So I'm gonna have to try again later. They close at 6. They just opened at 10, so hopefully, if not, I'm taking a trip to Walmart to get some Nair. Hey guys, so hours later, it's about 3:26. I feel like it's later than this just because I've been up busy. So I'm finally done filming. I filmed 2 videos. It literally took everything out of me. I'm tired. Thank God I only plan on filming 2, because anything other than 2, I don't know how I would make it out. Did not get an appointment for the wax, so Nair it is. So I have to go on the road to go get Nair, and I also need to run to the hair store. I want to grab some flexi rods and a foot scrub. They close at 6, so I have a little bit of time, but I think I'm about to go on the road now, because when I get back I want to edit to upload a video today, Sunday the 13th. That's my goal. So if you see a video on the 13th, just know that's the video. But yeah guys, everything else I just gotta pack. This is the product of filming the haul. My suitcases and stuff are there. So some of the stuff is going with me, so that's why they're here. But the only thing left for me to really do is pack, and that's it. Oh, and I also have to make my mom wig before I go. And the wig that I plan on wearing tomorrow, I need to wash that and style it as well. So that is pretty much all that I have left to do. So I'll check back in with y'all. I'll end this vlog right when I'm about to go start the Jamaica vlogs.